Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be creating a new Revit project. Here, I would like to mention one thing that I have installed Autodesk Revit Structure Trial Edition. To create a new project, go here to Projects. You'll find one button for Open and the next New, which creates a new Revit project file. You can also use this Program button, from where drag your button the cursor to New. You'll find several options over here. One is Project, that creates a new Revit project file. Second is Family, that creates a set of custom components to use in projects. Conceptual Mass, Title Block, and other things. We'll create a project. It will ask for a new project. If you have any template file, you can browse it from here. But as I don't have any, I'll click on Create New. Project is selected and click on OK. Well, it may take some time to load depending upon the memory of your computer. The project has been created. I'll go to this quick save button that will save the project, and I'll name it Project 1. Remember, the extension for Revit is RVT. Here you'll find one option button. Click on that. This is File Save Options. The maximum backups are 3 and we'll let it be. The thumbnail preview source is active. We'll click on OK and click on Save. So it will save our project. Again, it may take some time depending upon your computer memory. From the very next tutorial, we will be getting familiar with the interface in Autodesk Revit. Thank you.